Welcome back to Unveiled at the Side. Today we'll see how to make a milk barfi. This is an instant milk barfi. You'll need butter, sugar, milk powder, pistachios, and kesar or saffron strands. So first what we'll do is melt the butter. We are taking about 2 tablespoons of butter here, melting it and taking 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, mixing it with the melted butter. Add in the milk powder as well. I'm taking in 1 cup of milk powder. Give a thorough mix of all the ingredients in the bowl. I'll take about 2 tablespoons of milk to dissolve the saffron strands in it, and I'll be adding that to the mixture. You can also use water here if needed, but milk is better option. Give everything a mix. Just ensure that there are no lumps in the mix. You can add cardamom powder if you need a flavor of cardamom. I'm just using saffron as the flavoring agent here. After microwaving this for about 30 seconds, this is how the consistency looks like. Give a mix once again and microwave it for yet another minute. So after microwaving it for another minute, this is how the consistency looks like. It's getting thicker, as you can see. Give another mix thorough. Be careful because the bowl and the mixture tends to be very hot. Just give a mix and microwave it again for another minute. Meanwhile, you can grease a plate with ghee or butter and keep it ready. This is how the mixture looks like, and it's thick enough at this point. As you can see, everything is coming into a dough type texture. This is the final consistency of the barfi. So bring everything together. As you can see, it's not runny anymore and everything is just crumbly. So pour this mixture onto the plate that is being greased, and using a spoon, backside of the spoon, you can level it out on the plate to form the shapes of a barfi. You can also make pedas out of these, but barfis look more yummy and the taste remains same, but it's just that appetizing look that makes people just go grab one barfi and eat it. So please do try this recipe for a quick dessert when you are craving for something sweet. Just dab it down to form the shape of a barfi. Top this up with chopped pistachios. Just dab it down so that it gets into the mixture and stays put. Allow this to cool for about half an hour before you can cut it into squares or diamonds or triangles and serve it to all your loved ones. Please do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Please do share and comment on this video. Also like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more such healthy recipes and easy recipes. Thank you.